Hey there guys, and welcome to week 3 of my October reading vlog. I am sick, which you can probably hear. My voice is very weak and I can't talk a lot, but I've already done 2 vlogs this month and I have already finished I think 5 books that were all pretty good, so I recommend you check out the other videos as well. But right now I'm in a bit of a weird position because I wanted to go check out a book from the library to read, the second book of the Lockwood & Co. series, and as of yesterday it's not available anymore. So right now I don't have a really creepy book to read, like from my original TBR, because I haven't ordered anymore, or they have not arrived yet. I have ordered Monstrous, but I don't know. It seems to be lost in the mail somewhere. So the book I'm going to start today is The Handmaid's Tale. I had this on my TBR for like so long, and I'm a little bit afraid of it because of the topics it covers, but I think it will also be quite, creepy. So it fits, and yeah, that's the plan for this week. And then I also decided to order 2 books. I decided I'm gonna get Strange Grace and Into the Drowning Deep for my next reads, probably at the end of this week or then maybe next week. They're both pretty long, almost 500 pages each, so that should keep me busy for the rest of the month, I think. And I'm currently 1.5 hours into my audiobook, The Haunting of Blackwood House. So far I really like it, but nothing creepy has happened yet, so I'm very excited to listen to that one as well. So for the goals I'm setting myself this week, I wanna read The Handmaid's Tale and then probably finish another book. Right now I think it would be Strange Grace, but we'll see how that goes because this weekend we're going to Berlin and I'm really excited about that. And I don't know how much reading will happen there, but yeah. So far I have read so much and I'm really surprised. So however this week goes, I'm very happy with my reading this month. So I just got back from work and I finally have Monstrous in the mail. This volume 4 just came out. Super excited. I have to know what happened to Kippa. So this is the right timing. I will definitely read this week as well. And for now I think I'll just relax, maybe do some more work and read. Hi, good morning. It is Spookathon Day 1. If I could. Halfway through Monstrous now, and now I'm going to the bathtub and make a nice hot bath to fight off my cold and start The Handmaid's Tale. So I managed to read the first 50 pages of Handmaid's Tale. So far it's making me more uncomfortable than anything, but we'll have some dinner now and watch some Mindhunter. And I probably won't read more of this today. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. Today I have a little bit of a busy day. I have to go to work first and then I have an appointment with my hairdresser to fix this mess. And I will take my book, but I won't get a lot of reading done before I get home, which will be quite late for today. So yeah, we'll see how the day goes. I have a fly. So I've been actively trying to avoid this book because it makes me feel very uncomfortable and not in a good way. I think I will try to listen to some Christmas music now while I read this, just so it makes me a little bit more comfy. We'll see how it goes.
Coming from the woods, but the house was almost perfectly silent.
colleague was just buying last week a massive
Hey guys, it is Monday now. I hope you enjoyed the footage from Berlin. I had a weekend of not talking, which did not help at all. My voice is still pretty much gone. I wanted to update you on what I've read though. I've read 82 pages in Strange Grace, and so far I really like the setup of the story, and I really like the characters as well. I like how the viewpoint switches between the characters, and I really want to read more of that. And also I listened to about 2 hours of my audiobook, so I have only 3 hours left now, The Haunting of Blackwood House, and it's really creepy and I really like it. Definitely something I cannot listen to when I'm home alone at night. Yeah, so that's that. Today is the last day of this vlog, and I will have to do a lot of talking today at work, so maybe I'll talk to you again, but maybe my voice will be gone tonight, so we'll see. Hey guys, I completely lost my voice, but I'm gonna end this vlog now. This is ridiculous. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did. And I see you next time. Bye.